Feeling creatively scattered? Let me show you how I use Asana to transform creative chaos into organized inspiration in just a few steps. First, I create a new project in Asana specifically for brainstorming. I title mine Creative Spark Tank, but name yours whatever inspires you. Next, I create sections within my project to categorize my creative process. I typically use sections like ideas, research, inspiration, and to-do, but feel free to customize these to fit your specific needs. Now, for the fun part, idea dumping. Under the ideas section, I add a task card for every single idea that pops into my head. No matter how silly or outlandish it may seem, the goal here is quantity over quality. Just get everything out. Once I have a good collection of ideas, I click into each task card to add more detail. I'll flesh out the concept, add relevant links for research, upload inspiring images, and even create subtasks for the initial steps. The research section is where I collect all the information I need to develop my ideas further. I save relevant articles, websites, and examples, keeping everything in one easily accessible place. Finally, I use the to-do section to break down each idea into actionable steps. I assign due dates, set reminders, and track my progress, ensuring I stay focused and motivated. Asana keeps me on track. And that's how I use Asana to fuel my creativity, stay organized, and bring my ideas to life. Try it out, and let me know in the comments how Asana is helping your creative workflow.